guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you're tuning to Beauty by Keely. So today I'm actually going to be doing a Halloween little tutorial, but it's actually just going to be like a watching tutorial with a music overlaid on it. I'm not going to be talking through this one because I don't know how this is going to go, and usually I don't really record my Halloween looks that much only because I'm afraid of how they may turn out. A lot of them turn out great, and then some of them turn out not so great, and I end up not posting them anyway, or whatever. So, this will be the look that I am attempting. So, we're going to hope that it comes out like that, and of course, I'll be showing you guys the products that I use and everything like that. But before we get into the tutorial, make sure you please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notifications to make sure you don't miss any future uploads from me, and make sure at the end of this video, when you make it all the way through, that you hit that like button and let me know if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials. I am back, and yes, your girl changed hair, but what do you think of the final look? Of course, there has to be some editing done to this photo, so keep watching to the end of the video, and I will have the edited photos at the very end. But please give this video a thumbs up if you really liked this tutorial, and if you like the end result look. And I may do some fine tuning, but I think I like it. I think it came out pretty okay. So yes, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.